The part B of the practical is measurement of bending loss. For measuring the bending loss, the equipment requires are Syntec 2502 trainer kit, then 1 meter long fiber optic cable. Why we are taking long fiber optic cable? Because we need to rotate this cable and observe the bending loss. Okay, so for the rotating this cable, obviously we require some device. So this is the manual over which we rotate the fiber optic cable. Okay, then we require this DSO for measuring the decrement of the strength when we rotate the fiber optic cable. Okay, so the first block, that is, we need to connect the input. We need to take the input from the function generator. We need to connect that input to the emitter circuit. Then that input get converted into the light form, and that light is taken from the fiber optic cable. The fiber optic cable is again connected to the detector, over which we will be getting the input signal. Okay, and that input signal is amplified by the amplifier. So we will measure the output signal from this AC amplified circuit. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the measurement of the amplitude of the output signal at 0 turn, 1 turn, 2 turn, then 3 turn, 5 turn, 7 turn, and so on. Okay, so firstly, the input signal, our input signal is 4.4 watt peak to peak. Now we will rotate the fiber optic cable on the mandrel, and we will observe the decrement in the amplitude of the output signal. So first we will perform for the 0 turn. Okay, 0 turn, that means first we will perform for the 0 turn. 0 turn, that means without mineral we need to use, then the decrement with the input and the output is so less, then we need to take it for the 1 number of turn. Here the number of turn is 1. So when we rotate the optical cable by 1 turn, we will see the decrement in the output. See, that output waveform gets degraded, and over here we will get the output waveform as 3 volt. Okay, similarly we will rotate it for the 3 turns. This is 1 turn, this is 2 turn, and this is 3 turn. Okay, let's verify the output. See, the output again gets degraded. The input is 4, and we will get the output as 2.82 something. Similarly, we need to again rotate fiber optic cable till 5 and 7 turn and note down the reading. Then we will need to calculate the percentage bending loss using the formula V in minus V out divided by V in into 100. Okay.